You're going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.